So this is going to be a quick video on the England Gambit Accepted because we needed to add this to the repertoire of the England Gambit, simply because there's something that goes on in some of these positions that people ought to be made aware of. And I also haven't analyzed this with the computer yet. So as we know, this is one of the worst defenses of chess, and we are usually forced to make moves that we don't like to make and get into very cramped positions. However, let's take a look at this game. So we'll start the engine because I haven't really seen what's going on here. It suggests knight to c6, which we play. Knight to f3, now d6 is the recommended move. I've also played bishop to c5 here. Bishop to f4. He plays the queen out. So this is something a little different. It's a standard line. Interestingly, the computer likes d6 here instead of f6. We move f6. Queen to b3. Lots of people retreated to d1. Interestingly, the computer likes b6. So there's an idea I've never tried. Obviously going for some sort of fianchetto, but now it switches to d5. Now it says knight to c3 is the right move. It pins. And here's the check with the queen I've done many times in this position, simply because I was a little desperate and I didn't truly understand what was going on. There are many moves that just outright lose, like bishop to e6. However, moving bishop to d7 seems to do the job. Tempts him to snatch the pawn, and there's a lot of stuff that goes on. He could get a couple pawns this way, but black gets a tremendous amount of play really fast. So e6 is the recommended computer move. Castle's queenside is what we did. Knight to c3. Now I was really tempted here to push the pawn, and I did not do that. You see the computer also hasn't really decided that that's a good move. It says bishop to e6 is the right move. And who can blame? Bishop to e6 turns to push even better. So we didn't play that either. I moved my queen, which it says is almost as decent. So now it says bishop to b5 is the right move. And what's interesting here is I believe this is the move in which white loses the game, if you can imagine that. He goes way, way down in evaluation here, so let's see what happens. Yes, he castles, and now look at that. You know, it was interesting, I did find this move over the board, but I'd remembered this kind of move existed before, so it simply says queen takes d5 is the best move. Once again, the right computer move. Now it says knight takes d5, and then I just move my rook. So frankly, doesn't make any sense to me. So he resigned. He misplayed this, but the game's over. So this was a trap I needed to show everyone, and it was kind of interesting.